In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this underwater scene by using Blender's volume scatter in 5 minutes. S to scale. Shift, Z to wireframe view. Let's create ground plane. Tab to go to edit mode. Right-click and S to subdivide like this. We'll need a noise texture, and use that texture with the displace modifier like this. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. Shift D to duplicate the ground mesh, and R to rotate it on the side viewport. Time to apply the materials. Let's add a spotlight. I'll set up the render scene. Let's add a principled volume node. I have tweaked the settings to finalize the scene, and here is the result. This is my final underwater scene. I'll show you how the settings were tweaked by zooming into the node settings. Here are my world background nodes. This is the ground material. The final principled volume node looks like this. Here are my spotlight settings. For the final render, I used 32 samples. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.